Can you use the number line to subtract 20 minus 6? To subtract 6 from 20, hop 6 times to the left from 20. Remember, to subtract, we hop left. We get 14. This is how you use the number line to subtract. Let us take another question. 20 minus 8. Pause to visually find the answer on the number line. Again, to find the answer of 20 minus 8, hop left 8 times starting at 20. We get 12. Let us take another question. 15 minus 2. Can you pause the video and find the answer on the number line? To find 15 minus 2, hop left 2 times from 15. We get 13. Let us take another question. Work out 17 minus 4 on the number line. You can pause the video to find the answer before going ahead. To find 17 minus 4, hop left 4 times starting at 17. We get 13. 17 minus 4 is 13.